In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use synced blocks in Notion. Start in Notion by going to a new page. This gives you a clean space to build and test your synced content. Once your page is open, move your cursor to the left side of a blank line and click the Add icon, the small plus that opens the block menu. In the search field, click and then type Highlight. This helps you quickly find the highlight block option without scrolling through the full list. Select the highlight option and add some simple text so you can recognize it later. Keep it short and clear, since this block will become part of the synced content you reuse. Next, click the Add icon again, and then click the Add icon one more time to open the block options where you will create a synced block. In the menu search, type Highlight again so the relevant options are easy to spot, then choose Synced Block. You will see a synced block container appear on the page. Click into it and add or place your highlight content inside so it becomes the information you want to reuse across pages. Now you will copy a link to that synced block so you can reference it elsewhere. Click on the highlight content to select the synced block area, then click again to make sure the correct block is active. Open the block options menu for that synced block and choose Copy Link to Block. This copies a direct link to that specific synced block, which is useful when you want to jump back to the original source. After that, click on the highlight again to return focus to the content area, and click once more to ensure you are positioned where you want to insert another block. Click the Add icon, and then click the Add icon again to bring up the block menu. Type Highlight in the search field. This time, select Synced Block again to create another synced block container. Click inside, click on the highlight area, and type Highlight so the content is clearly labeled and easy to confirm. At this point, you have created synced blocks and practiced selecting, copying a block link, and inserting synced content. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.